Hey there, creative minds! Ever wondered how to make your designs not just stunning, but smart, adaptive, and development ready? Let's dive in, and I'll show you the magic of the Fluid Color Palette plugin. First things first, fire up the Fluid Color Palette plugin in your design toolkit. Hit Create, and let's jet over to our website. Time to pick your vibe with some favorite hues. Loving these colors? Click that nifty link icon and flick the toggle for Figma plugin. Now, dash back to the plugin and drop that link right in. Here's where the fun starts. Choose your palettes: primary, brand, why not both? Customize to your heart's content and then hit Next. Now, let's get down to business in the variables section. You call the shots here. Name your collection, decide your color modes, and peek at those advanced settings. But hey, that's a story for another day. When you're all set, smash that Generate button. Chill for a sec while our plugin weaves its magic. And boom! Your colors have leveled up to over 1,000 variables. Thanks to the trusty Tailwind CSS naming convention, using them is a breeze. Oh, we're not done yet. Fluid Color Palettes is on top of the game with shadcn UI compatibility, bringing you a dynamic brand color scheme. Backgrounds, cards, borders, you name it, all tuned for light and dark themes. We handle the nitty-gritty so you can stay in your creative flow. That's a wrap on the basics. Eager for more? Stick around for our deep dive series. But for now, grab your plugin and let's color the future effortlessly.